Kia ora, I'm Lila. Kia ora, Maeva. Today we're going to teach you how to go outside. Haere ki waho. Haere means to go. Ki waho means to go outside. This is Mrs. Taylor using the phrase of the week.
Haere ki waho. Haere ki waho. Maiki titiku. Ka pai. Ka pai. You were waiting.
Ka kite anō. Ka kite anō.